Welcome to my channel. First of all, watch this video. You can create videos like this too. Now take a look at this channel. It has 1.6 million subscribers and 311 uploaded videos. Its views are in the millions, and you can see it's earning around 25.9K per month, which is very high. If you check the videos, one has 4 million views, another has 1.3 million views, and many others have millions of views as well. For example, this video has 4.2 million views. So yes, you can also create videos like this easily and for free. In today's video, I will give you a complete course on how to make videos for free. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. In the first comment, I will provide my important prompts that you can use to create AI videos for free. So first of all, friends, open ChatGPT. When you open it, I will provide you with a prompt in the comments section. Just download it, copy it, and paste it. After pasting, open it properly, and then copy the line written below. Look at these prompts. I will also give you the prompts in a document file. Then write, look at these 3 prompts. How can I create videos like this? Please give me 7 image prompts and also provide video prompts for each image so I can turn them into videos. This way, it will give you both image prompts and video prompts. If you want, you can first create images and then convert those images into videos. Now I'll tell you an even easier method where you won't even need video prompts. You just copy the image prompt and paste it, and your video will be ready. For that, simply copy the prompts and save them somewhere. Now for making videos, the website I will use is called Flow Labs. Just go to Google and search Flow Labs and click on the first website that appears. So next, what you need to do is you can see it will look something like this. First, click on Create with Flow. Just click on it. After clicking, it will show something like this. You can see I currently have 150 credits, and the credits refresh daily. Let me repeat, you can get daily refreshed credits here. It's a very amazing and useful website. Now to create videos, you need to select the video option. There is image first and then video. After selecting video, choose video 3.110 or any option you prefer. Then what I will do is take prompts from ChatGPT and paste them here one by one. You can copy and paste multiple prompts. As you can see, you can create around 6 to 7 videos at one time for free daily. If you change your email, you can create even more. So this is how you can make free videos on this platform. You can also see the results. These videos are already generated, and the output is really amazing. You can easily create videos like this. I hope you liked the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Next time, I will bring more videos like this to show you how to create videos for free. Thanks for watching.